You've been singing, rehearsing for weeks, giving it all your best. However, on the day of your performance, you walk on that stage with confidence. You open your mouth to sing and, unfortunately, your voice is gone. No warning, no backup plan, just silence. Now that is not bad luck. That is lack of information. And today, I will be giving you 5 vocal healthcare tips that professional singers, Broadway actors, and keynote speakers use every single day. At the end of this video, I will also be throwing a bonus tip that most coaches don't talk about. To be honest, some of them don't even know. So stick with me through this video. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Tip number 1, hydration. I know you've heard a lot of talks about, keeping yourself hydrated, but this is what they don't tell you. You are supposed to hydrate earlier than you think. Sipping water minutes to your performance will absolutely do nothing. Why? Because your voice requires your entire body to be hydrated, and that takes hours, not minutes. It is advisable for you to take at least 8 glasses of water every day. Room temperature or warm water is the best for you as a singer or a public speaker. Tip number 2, warm up. Now, when I talk about warm up, I need you to know that your vocal cords are tiny muscles that needs to be exercised all the time. Just like athletes exercise, you ought to exercise your vocal cords. Now, there are different types of vocal warm-ups. There's that of vocal agility, there's that of range extension, there's that of creating resonance. You need to do each and every one of these exercises to have balance. The honest truth is that most people lack vocal agility. That is why they lose their voice when they have a little bit of pressure. However, when you're able to balance between all the vocal warm-up styles, then you can help your voice. You should also note that when you warm up, you need to warm down to cool your muscles, your vocal cords down. You wouldn't want to warm up and stay just there. It's going to hurt your voice. Tip number 3, silence. Now, this may be hard for the passionate ones, but I need you to know that silence is not weakness. It is strategy, a very wise strategy. After a rigorous exercise, rehearsal, or singing, you are advised to stay silent. Why? Because that is your moment of recovery. That is when your vocal cords recover from the strain of singing and rehearsing. But when you ignore that, that is when you invite absolute damage to your vocal cords. Singers, speakers are advised to take 30 minutes to 60 minutes break, total silence, after every session of singing or speaking. Tip number 4, what you eat. Yes, what you eat, especially pre-performance. Dairy products before performance, please. That is mucus city. Alcohol or caffeine before your performance, that is called instant dehydration. Spicy food or acidic food before your performance, that is acid reflux inflaming your throat from the inside. You are advised to eat light meals, very light and warm meals, 2 to 3 hours before you go on stage. As a matter of fact, your go-to secret is warm water and honey every day. Do this and thank me later. Tip number 5. Do not push through the pain. Pain is not a challenge. Pain is actually a message. a warning signal. However, we have so many singers who ignore the signs and end up paying the price. This is why we have so many singers with hoarseness, vocal nodules, and strain. They wonder why. This is because they did not pay attention to the warning signals their vocal cords gave them. The best singers are not the ones who push through the pain. They are the ones who last. So my advice to you today is, when you feel pain, please take a break. Yes, take a break to recover, to re-strategize, and then you come back with a full blow, with excellence. That is what makes you an exceptional singer. As I promised, I will be giving a bonus tip. Now, this has to do with the way you sleep. I told you, most coaches don't talk about this. Now, let's start this way. People, when they feel tired or congested, they breathe through their mouth. Yeah. They breathe in dried, unfiltered air directly into their vocal cords. Now, this is very harmful. People who do this, when you wake up, you will notice that your voice is a little bit husky. Now, the reason is because dry, unfiltered air went directly into your vocal cords. The reason why we breathe through our nose is because there is a form of filtering that happens before it reaches our vocal cords. That way, our vocal cords are safe. So, in order to ensure that you don't harm your voice through your breathing, please try and breathe through your nose when you're sleeping. Another thing I'll talk about is your sleeping position. When sleeping, please do not sleep directly flat on your back. Why? Because this increases acid reflux. How do you avoid that? Sleep on your side and have a pillow elevate your head. Now, that is a perfect way to sleep. And always stay hydrated. Thank you very much for sticking with me. If this is your first time on my channel and you really enjoyed these tips, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification button, as I will be dropping a lot of tips for singers, both beginners, intermediates, and professionals. I would love to hear in the comment section which of these tips stood out for you. Thank you very much.